Hello and welcome to this review of the Happy Beef restaurant in Bangkok. You can find this restaurant inside the Siam Paragon shopping mall. We visited on the 10th of August 2016. The restaurant is an open area restaurant with an open kitchen. The seating area is quite compact. They serve Thai food with different grades of beef. You can pick your Thai food favorite and add your choice of noodles or rice. But the main choice you have to make is your choice of beef. As you can see, they only serve premium beef here, and they also serve some extremely expensive Japanese beef. Most economical beef they serve is sirloin beef, which costs 220 baht. I chose the sirloin beef served in a green curry with jasmine rice. The rice cost an extra 20 baht, so the total price was 240 baht. All the ingredients in this dish tasted very fresh. The idea to combine Thai classic dishes with quality beef is an interesting fusion of Thai and Japanese food tradition. The beef was thin cut. It was delicious and tender. Even though the sirloin was the cheapest, it was still extremely good quality. The really expensive cuts of beef have more marbling, which means that there is more fat in between the meat, which adds flavor. Paying 2,000 baht for a few strips of excellent beef is beyond my means, but I'm sure that Siam Paragon has a lot of customers who can afford to pay that price. I was very happy with the sirloin I ate. It also came in a very generous quantity, so I left feeling quite satisfied. If you love beef, then this place is a good place to indulge in a delicious treat. It is kind of pricey, but actually worth it. Getting quality beef in Bangkok can often be quite a challenge. If you eat at this place, you cannot go wrong, because this place is all about premium beef. So I think the meal was okay value for money. You can no doubt find cheaper green curries, but this meal is mainly about the beef and not so much about the curry. And it will not be easy to find much cheaper meals with similar quality beef. Thank you for watching this video which reviewed Happy Beef. Please subscribe to this channel if you're interested in watching more videos about the cost of living in Bangkok.